Demystifying cloud computing. Software as a service, or SaaS. Software as a service, or SaaS, is a cloud-based software distribution model. A third-party provider hosts applications on their infrastructure and makes them available to customers over the internet. These applications operate on individual devices without the need for on-premise installation. A good example of SaaS is cybersecurity applications, sometimes called Security as a Service, or CCaaS. Cloud-based cybersecurity applications allow users to run the latest anti-malware and antivirus programs via a web browser or lightweight application installed on their computers. Cloud-based cybersecurity applications provide users full functionality and protection while eliminating the need for constant updates and maintenance. The software provider ensures the most current updates and definitions are in place. Simple web interfaces allow IT teams to view ongoing activities easily. The cloud-based approach also makes provisioning new users faster and easier, providing near-instant protection. Whichever clouds you choose, we'll protect them. Visit kas.pr/demystify for more.